Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra. For those of you who are new here, if you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome.
Today's video is in collaboration with Whitaker's Way and Joyce. Their links will be linked in the description box down below. We are doing a 24-hour vegan challenge.
So, for those of you who don't know, this is my first time ever doing a 24-hour vegan challenge. So I went ahead and got everything I needed for this challenge. I went to Whole Foods and I also went to Kroger. So some of the things that you see will be from there. So first things first, this morning I'm gonna go ahead and make me an acai bowl from home before I go to work. So this is what you'll need, the acai super fruit pack. Alright, so I'm finally getting around to eating my acai bowl. So my son's bus was late this morning, which caused me to run a little late. So I bought my blender here and basically blended up my acai bowl here. So let me just show you guys the bowl. All right, so anyways, I have all of my stuff right here. Just gonna go ahead, and it's not the way that I really wanted it to be, but I am starving Marvin right about now. So I'm putting all my bananas over there. I wanna check in as a coworker if they have any granola, because this would be so much better. Acai bowl is amazing. I love making it from home as well. I'm only gonna be able to have 2 bites right now until the kids come in from recess, because I have to get ready to go and deliver lunches. So I'll just be putting the top on it until I get back. All right, so it's time for lunch. I made my salad the night before, that way I was ready and prepared. So this is my new lunchbox that I got off of Amazon. If you guys like this lunchbox, comment down below and I will get the link to you. Matter of fact, I will try to post the link in my description box. It just really depends. I cannot post links here for Amazon items until I get to 500 subscribers. So please help me get to 500 subscribers and I can start posting these Amazon links here. So I have my salad, went ahead and put my cheese in. Yes, that is vegan cheese. I also wanted to have some fruit, so I just picked a couple pieces of fruit that I put into these silicone cupcake holder molds, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make this meatless patty by Quorn. It looks the same, so I'm just gonna give it a try. I have these air fryer liners. I only use these, that way I don't have to clean the air fryer like that. So I just put it on for 9 minutes, and I'm gonna add in some tomatoes, and then I have my vegan plant-based ranch. There's really no difference. All right, so here's my salad, and then I went ahead and put in the ranch into a cup. I have some veggie straws. I am in love with those. Those are definitely vegan friendly that I put at the bottom with the fruit. I then went ahead and just packaged everything up. It's ready to go, put into the refrigerator, and I can have it for the next morning. I did add in an Annie's fruit snack. They are really good. And I want to go ahead and get a water, and I'll get a pack of the Country Time lemonade to have with that. So everything is good to go in my lunchbox. I am ready for lunch. And I also added in a pack of raisins. My piece of chicken turned out so good. I went ahead and pulled it out of the air fryer and went ahead and chopped it up and added it into a separate container so that I was able to just add the chicken in myself the next day. But I also had to wait on this chicken to kind of like cool down. I keep saying chicken, I'm meaning to say meatless patty. So I went ahead and just chopped it up, put it into a container, let it cool down, and then I took that container and put it into my lunchbox so that I would be able to use the next day. So I just chopped it up into small pieces, like dime-sized pieces. I honestly wish that I would have added 2 pieces instead of just the one, because the one was really, really good in my salad.
His grandmother, he walked around with grandmother. The old girls, you know. Yeah, they're paying for it. They're not putting it in as well.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like cracking the hell up.
Or I guess so for dinner, I decided to have the Quorn meatless nuggets. It's enough in here for obviously 2 nights worth of food if I wanted to. So these are what the nuggets or meatless nuggets look like. I'm going to put them in the air fryer. And so the best thing to have for the air fryer is these little pan liners. They range from anywhere from like $6 to $12, and you get like 100 count in your package, and they're the best things because you can just dispose of these right after. So I'm gonna go ahead and line up my nuggets. So I'm fixing about 8 or 9 nuggets for myself. They're nice and thick, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on 350 for just roughly about 10 minutes. And so I checked it halfway through, and you guys can see that these bad boys are getting ready. Here's my nuggets. put them on my bread. So jealous because the kids get dinosaur nuggets and I get these meatless nuggets, but that's okay. So apparently Polynesian sauce and barbecue sauce from Chick-fil-A are vegan. Don't ask me how, I looked it up, and yes, here is the actual info on that. I'm about to have some mom juice, basically some orange juice. I mean, some orange soda. All right, so one of my favorite things to have is salmon applesauce. And I did look it up to see if it was vegan friendly, and it is, as it only has apples, sugar, water, cinnamon, and ascorbic acid to maintain color.